Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. It's fucking freezing. Everything's all icy. I hope they're not patch ices. Ice patch, whatever way that's said. But it's really fucking cold this morning. First time I've ridden in ice this year. Oh, I don't like it. Hey guys, hope we're all doing well. Thank you for the few subscribers that are subscribing. I think we're going to hit this 1,000 mark fairly easy. So there's a reason why I'm bringing this video. This is going to be the last vlog on this bike. And I know it's... I actually don't want to get rid of it. But there's a few reasons why I am going to get rid of it. But this has been this still is one of my favourite bikes. I fucking love this bike. There's just something about it. Every time I hop on it, I just feel happy. Every time I look at it, I'm just like, damn, that's fucking sexy. So I'm not getting a sports bike again. I could end up getting one next year. It's very likely that this new bike, I'll be like, oh, this is fun, but I missed my sports bike, and I'll get one next year. That might happen, and I'm okay with that. I was looking at a newer one of these ZX6s, but I said no, practicality's kind of gonna have to kick in. So I'm not gonna say what I'm getting, but if everything goes well this morning, so I have to ring the place. I could have the new bike tomorrow. So today's Tuesday. I don't know when I'm gonna edit this. Hopefully I can edit it tonight and then get it out. But then I should have my new bike Wednesday, and if it's not ready by then, I should have it Saturday. It'd be the only kind of day I can go get it. But it's kind of sad, and it was kind of another reason why I want to get rid of it. Because sports bikes, I actually think they're great all-rounders. They're fucking great for every night commute on this thing. You know, I do 250 or so miles a week, which on a sports bike is, you know, it's a lot of miles. At the moment, I think this bike has, I don't know, maybe 28,000 miles on it. Runs like new, looks fairly new. Like, I do keep it very, very nice, and anyone who sees the bike will always say how nice and clean it is for the 2007 model ZX6. I do keep it kind of stupid clean, just because it's green. Oh my god, it's so fucking cold. But yeah, the main reason why I'm getting rid of the sports bike, one reason is the more miles I do on it, the kind of worse it's gonna look. You know, I want to be able to give this to someone and they can enjoy it. I want to let someone else enjoy it and look after it. And the guy who's buying it off me is a friend of mine. He's subscribed to the channel, and I think he'll look after it. Fucking better, you bastard. Oh my god, it's just stupid cold. Look how white the field is. If the bushes would move. This is all white. Thankfully the neck in this rugged jacket's actually very high. And for once I'm not going to complain about how high it is, because it's keeping me kind of warm. But yeah, it's not even practicality of a sports bike that why I'm getting rid of it. I need something that's just a bit better for my commute. Because I'm driving to and from Dublin every day. That is where I work, and I have been doing that for the past little while for college. But the main difference is, for college, if the weather was really bad, I could just go, fuck that, I want to go in. Work, not so much. So I need something that's a little bit better. And also fuel gauge. I need something a little bit better on fuel, and something with a fucking fuel gauge. Like, I filled this bike up yesterday and I had to fill it up again. And this is the thing about it, it's actually not bad on juice, it's actually fairly good on petrol. I wouldn't say it's heavy, wouldn't be the word I'd use. But because it's a sports bike, and because I do take it into Dublin and, you know, drive it fairly fast, the petrol does just, you know, get drank on it sometimes. So I just want something with a fuel gauge that's going to keep fuel down and insurance down. And the bike I'm looking at getting, hopefully I can get it, for the price, I would be stupid not to get it. Because these bikes second hand, they're literally like gold dust, and especially the one I'm looking at. But sports bikes, they're like, they're meant to be ridden kind of up in the RPMs. They're meant to be driven a bit fast, a bit bonkers. But on this bike, I just haven't done it. I haven't been on a proper spin on this bike. And every time I go on a spin, it just be like straight roads and the odd little turn. I think I got one proper spin out of it, and I fucking loved it. It was amazing, and it was during the first half of the summer. But other than that, nothing really. And that was just due with work in college, so nothing I could do there. So the bike's going, it's already sold, and it is actually very sad because one of my dream bikes. But you know what, I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I got to experience it. I'm glad I got to fall in love with it. And hopefully in the next little while I'll get something a bit better. Hopefully whenever I get my own place, I can have multiple bikes. I'll have my fun bike and my commuting bike. Pinlock is stupid. But yeah guys, so wish the ZX6 goodbye. I never even gave it a name. I just actually enjoyed it that much. I never put any thought into a name. That's how much I just loved it. But that guys, that's a video. Say goodbye to the ZX6. Hopefully you guys are all excited for the new bike. I'm excited to get it. I think it's going to be really fucking fun. But yeah guys, that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. My ears are fogging up now. Jesus Christ. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.